this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change this image from this to this. I'm still Dr. Don, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how to add golden colors to your pictures, okay? Kind of changing seasonal pictures, okay? So this looks like, is it autumn? Yeah. So we change from autumn to like kind of fall or winter or something like that, okay? So that is kind of seasonal picture. So with this, we are going to change this from this autumn to fall, okay? To make the picture so like kind of add some golden colors and stuff. This is just some tip and tricks Photoshop. So I'm going to show you so quick. So what you need to do is first select the layer, go to filter, okay, and click on convert for smart filters. Now you see the thumbnail, double click so that this picture open another document. So what you need to do from here, what I want you to do is go to image, mode, and choose lab color. Okay, perfect. Now since lab is off, what you need to do is go back to the now click apply image. Just look at this. Perfect. So what I want you to do from here, from the channel lab, click here and change to B. Just look at this. And change the blending from normal or butterfly to overlay. You can just use overlay or soft light, anyone which you are interested, but for this tutorial purpose I'll use overlay. Okay, and start to decrease the opacity down to about 50. Perfect. Now click OK. So after this, all I want you to do is to go to File, okay, and click on Save. Don't use Save as Save. Now after saving, you can close this. Just look at this. Perfect. So we just change our image from autumn to fall. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Always it's a co-instructor or Dr. Don. See you in the next video. Bye.